Lino Simplify is a solution for automatic simplification of Solidworks 3D models. Simplified models are needed for several reasons. Increased performance through data reduction, to create layouts, web and VR graphics, but also to hide design details to protect your intellectual property when you share files with others. In this scenario, we simplify an assembly to share it with other parties. We want to hide the model details to prevent reverse engineering and to protect our intellectual property. To do this, we remove unnecessary details, components and functions, and freeze features. The output file is a part file with a minimized number of stupid solids. We want to simplify this assembly. It contains different types of components such as weldments, toolbox components and sheet metal models. To begin the simplification process, we start Lino Simplify from the Solidworks menu. If saved, the previous settings are loaded from the Solidworks model. In the settings, we define the simplification factor and select the suffix for the output file. For this, we can use values of the file properties. Furthermore, we can choose whether the result file should be automatically exported as parasolid or step. In the tab Assemblies, we decide that we do not keep any mates for this scenario and that we want to save the assembly as a part. This is the best option when it comes to model obfuscation. In the Parts tab, we turn on the Create Dump Bodies option. This will delete all features and the result will be a part with a minimum number of dump bodies. When all settings are done, the simplification process can start. We save all settings in the Solidworks model. This allows us to exchange and reload models later. We will now jump to the result. As you can see in the simplified model, the solids have been joined. Let's look at the output. 3 files were created, a PDF, a parasolid, and of course a Solidworks result file. The PDF file is created by default and contains a report on the result of the simplification. As you can see, it took 2 minutes to simplify the file and the file size has been reduced by more than 89%. The number of graphic triangles has been reduced by about 94% and the number of solids decreased by 96%. The number of surface was reduced by 82% and the number of components was reduced by more than 99%. When we return to our file, we can open the original file directly from the model. We open the 2 assemblies in 2 windows side by side so we can compare the files and see the differences. As you can see, the inner surfaces of the weld model have been removed and the bodies have been joined. All sheet metal features have been removed and the toolbox components are also missing from the simplified assembly. You can clearly see that the simplification has been a complete success and that no know-how is unintentionally leaving the company in the simplified part. We can share this file with others without hesitation, as was the intention of this scenario. Thank you very much for watching.